Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You open WhatsApp and act fast. Grant microphone or storage access if you haven't already, because permissions let the app surface voice files. Next, decide whether you're hunting in one chat, a group, or across all conversations. This narrows the steps. Use the search bar at the top or open a likely chat. Once inside, tap the contact name to reveal media, links, and docs. Make sure to select media so you see only audio clips and avoid scrolling through images. Once inside media, scroll to the audio section. WhatsApp groups voice messages under audio files so you can scan timestamps quickly. If there are many items, use the chat search and type keywords like voice, audio, or a date to jump close to the time frame. On Android, make sure to also check the phone's file manager at WhatsApp/media/WhatsApp voice notes, because older or downloaded voice messages may appear only there. This combination gives you both in-app and file system coverage. Finish by saving important voice messages. Long press a message to star, forward, or export it to email or cloud. This prevents loss and makes future retrieval simple. If you can't find messages, check archived chats and confirm WhatsApp backup status under Settings Chats Chat Backup, because restores depend on that backup. Also verify storage permissions. If problems persist, back up. Then reinstall WhatsApp as a last resort. Make sure your backup completed so you...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.